Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple healthy bounty. These candies contain quite a lot of protein and it's very tasty.
We need 250 grams of milk. You can also take coconut milk. 100 grams of coconut flakes. 20 grams of protein. I have whey isolate. 20 grams of milk powder. For the lactose-free option, you can take coconut milk powder. Add a sweetener. Combine all ingredients thoroughly. It turns out this is such a heterogeneous, mushy mess. We transfer it to a saucepan and boil over low heat until slightly thickened. Stir thoroughly during cooking. The bulk should not boil, otherwise the protein may curdle. When there is no excess liquid left in the saucepan, you can remove it from the heat. It turns out to be a thick, loose bulk. Let it cool down. Let's prepare the form. I have such a glass mold. The silicone one even more convenient. I line the bottom and sides with cling film. We shift the coconut bulk. We level it with a spatula. Cover with cling film and send it to the freezer for 3 hours. We need 100 grams of sugar-free chocolate. I put the chocolate in a bain-marie with hot but not boiling water. And we melt it. When the chocolate is completely melted, add 25 grams of coconut oil to it. Stir thoroughly until combined. The result is a liquid glaze. When the bulk has frozen well, we take it out of the freezer. Open the cling film. Remove the coconut layer from the mold. For easy release, you can let it warm for 10 minutes after the freezer. And cut into pieces. The frozen bulk is not very easy to cut, but it is easier to dip in the glaze. It's very convenient to use a spoon and fork to cover the candies. I roll the candy with a spoon, and then I shift it to the fork. Excess glaze drips off, and you can transfer the candy on a flat surface. The glaze freezes on the candy instantly. These are such gorgeous bounty. Let's cut one. These candies have enough protein. Such chocolate melts in your hands, so you need to eat them quickly or put them on a plate and enjoy a coconut chocolate dessert. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.